Have you ever seen beautiful, stunning, dynamic, feminine veil dancing but wanted to do that yourself? Maybe not feeling like you had the confidence or the skills. Drop the veil. Finally, I'm bringing you a masterclass workshop in veil dancing. I'm Lindsay Marie Silver. I am the founder and principal dancer of Sahara Studio in Scotland, reaching you in person in Edinburgh and also online through Zoom and YouTube. In Drop the Veil Masterclass, 3 hours deep dive into the art form of veil dancing. We're going to cover all sorts of topics like the history and origins of veil dancing. We're going to look at skills and technique. We're going to look at things like tips and tricks, all kinds of fabulous tricks. We're going to cover the safety aspects. We're going to look at the difference between regional dances with the veil and a whole lot more. So this will be a real feminine embodiment practice for you that we're going to develop over the 3 hours. There's going to be practical elements, but there's also going to be theory. We're going to take a break in the middle where you can really integrate what we've been working on and have a bit of socialization, meet new friends. We're going to cover things like stage presence, sequences and phrasing of choreography, how to improvise with the veil, your posture and the grip that you hold the veil with. You're going to leave with more anatomy and physiology knowledge. You'll know about different fabrics and colours, shapes of veil, and all of the different uses of each. There will be the opportunity to dance single, double, possibly triple and even quadruple veil. Wow. You're going to leave with a whole lot more confidence, more enjoyment in your dancing, more variety, and with new friends. I really hope that you can join me, whether you are in person here in Edinburgh or you're online. You'll find details at www.sahara.studio.